Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. 3 workers are assigned to paint the fence of any army barrack. If 92.4 meter of the fence is already painted and each worker can paint 5 meter 100 millimeter of the fence every hour, then what is the total length of the fence that would have been painted after an hour? We have to find out. So first of all, it is given that each worker can paint in an hour, that is equal to 5 meter 100 millimeter. We know that 100 millimeter is nothing but 100 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 meter, because we know that 1 millimeter is 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So finally it will be equal to 5 meter plus 0.1 meter, which is equal to 5.1 meter. So 5.1 meter is the value each worker can paint in an hour. Now we know that there are 3 workers, so we can say that 3 worker can paint in an hour is equal to 3 multiplied by 5.1 meter by unitary method. So this is equal to 15.3 meter. So this is the amount that 3 worker can paint in an hour. Now we have to find the total length of fence that is painted after an hour. So it is given in the question that 92.4 meter is already painted. So 92.4 meter is already painted and 15.3 meter is the amount which is painted by these 3 workers in an hour. So finally this addition will give the total length of the fence that is painted after an hour. So if we add this, we will get 107.7 meter. Now let's check the option. 107.7 is option D. Hence we can say that the answer is option D.